All right, we're here with a Benelli M4 LE model. This model comes configured from the factory with the full extended magazine or standard capacity magazine tube and the 3-position adjustable stock. And all we did to this here at Sterling Arsenal was Cerakote it in a multicam Arid pattern, and did some laser work there as well to just bring the Eotech stuff back to its factory state. And then Ross, what did we add here for the customer that you requested?
The additional non-Benelli parts that were added include a Taran Tactical safety selector. Also Taran Tactical is the bolt handle, as well as the lifter or carrier and the bolt release are all Taran Tactical. The trigger guard is by A&S Engineering with the included scallop for loading the shells.
That's really cool. We also configured the selector or the safety selector to left-hand orientation for this customer since he's left-handed. And then that's the shell holder there.
Esstac shell holder.
Those are great. They just Velcro on, and you can load them on board or off board the gun, which I think is pretty cool.
The entire forend is the Midwest Industries rail. You're looking at also a Unity tactical light switch. The QD swivels, just Grovtec swivels. We've got a Briley stage saver, gives you one extra shell right in front of the chamber for one quick top off load. And then we've also got a Limbsaver recoil pad. We've got some driven arms, cable management, rail panels. The light bar is T.Rex arms and Arisaka collaboration. Arisaka also makes the front QD swivel mount.
That's what we ran Cerakote C-Series air cure on the light in a fade to complement the rest of the H-Series pattern on this.
And then the flashlight itself is a Modlite.
All right. Thanks, Ross. Now we'll have someone just run us to QC in the range and make sure it runs smooth. Boom. Okay, we're in the range with Cat and the Benelli M4. One of the accessories we didn't mention earlier is an NZ mag follower and spring. We're gonna do a little cut there demo and see how easy that loads and how it operates. We're running just Valor. Come on. All those 3-gun nightmares all coming back.
I hate shotguns so much. Oh my god. Fuck out.
We all have our tools, right?
Yep.
Rock and roll. Cool. Awesome. Thanks, Kat.